Hi, this method for ldplayer logging and backup. If you want to log in your cashapp account with ldplayer emulator, then this video only for you. I can provide ldplayer logging service and also provide ldplayer logging method. This method is very update method. You can log in any tag like old or new, every cashapp tag you can log in with ldplayer. If you want cashapp old, new or BTC enable account, then contact with me. I hope I provide you best service. My Telegram and WhatsApp link in my description box. You can contact with me anytime. Bye.